What's going on? My name is Alexi and I'm the creator of Hooey Doodles and I do ProCreate tips and tutorials, and today we're going to be talking about dropping colors into your ProCreate drawing, thresholds, and just filling in shapes more quickly. And so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, I have this abstract shape here and I want to fill one of these little squares with red. So I'm going to bring my red in and I'm going to drop it in. But if you see, I have these white and gray squares here and these white and gray pixels right here that aren't being colored in. That's because my threshold is at 0. In order to see where your threshold is, I'm going to do 2 fingers to go back. I'm going to click and drag in my color and it's going to color in. But if you look up here, it says threshold 0%. Now you'll notice that when I up my threshold, it's going to color in more and more pixels. So to quickly explain what a threshold is when you're dropping a color into that white area, it's going to fill all the pixels that are all white if it's at 0%. When you up that threshold, it's looking at all the other pixels in that area and being like, okay, this pixel is slightly gray. It has a little bit of black in it, but it's close enough to white, so I'm going to start to fill that pixel with color as well. And as you up the threshold, it's going to look at more and more pixels and be like, okay, this is a darker gray, but it wants to be this color. And as you get to 100%, it's going to fill more and more of those darker pixels. When you hit 100%, it's going to fill everything. So 99% is a good threshold to be in to fill an entire area that's surrounded in black. Now that we have our threshold set to fill in all the pixels that we need, I'm going to grab this color and drop it over here. Now at the top, you're going to see an option that says color fill, continue filling. So when I drop this red in, color drop, continue filling, if I select that continue filling, this color drop with a little check mark pops up. That means that I can just tap and color in all of these squares that I want without dragging in and filling. With color drop still selected, I can choose other colors within palettes, or I can go to my color wheel and choose a color, and I'll still be able to just tap and fill in. So that's it. That's coloring, thresholds, and quick fill, and all of that good stuff. Again, my name is Alexi. I'm the creator of Hooey Doodles. Please like, share, comment this, and yeah, I will be coming out with ProCreate tutorials throughout the year. So be sure to subscribe so you can see all of those and make your life a little easier with ProCreate. All right, until next time. See you later.